Hello, my name's Russell. I'm 43 years old and I'm one of 3 co-founders of a company called Ballistic Pork. We're a VFX and game studio located in the north of Sweden in a place called Jörn. And we're 3 former classmates of the Visual Magic education. And prior to the education, none of us had any prior experience in either 3D or VFX. Ballistic Pork, we offer a 3D and VFX outsourcing service for the Swedish industry. And being up here in the north of Sweden, we also have a fantastic motion capture studio on the Skellefteå campus, which we're trying to utilise as much as possible and bring this service to the Swedish industry. In addition to this, we're also in the process of developing our own game IP, and we've just taken on 6 interns. So we now have a total of 9 people working towards the vision of creating a prototype for the summer, and then we're looking to get investment and see if we can actually take the game into full production. Already in the early stages of the company's development, we've managed to secure 4 contracts within the VFX and game industry. In reference to our own game IP, we've recently pitched this in Umeå at the Arctic Game and Global Top Round event, where we walked away with the most anticipated game award. We feel now is the perfect time to establish a VFX studio in the north of Sweden due to the infrastructure which exists with the schools, and we want to provide people with the opportunity to live and work within the industry in this region. Why start a VFX company? Good question. The buzz, the challenge, being able to shape your own future. What advice would I give someone looking to get into the industry? I'm going to give exactly the same advice I was given, and that was go to a VFX education. You're going to be given the gift of a network. So for example, in our class, I got to know 20 to 30 people. You'll get to know 20 to 30 people in the year above and 20 to 30 people in the year below. So you're looking at 60 to 90 people that you're going to know in the industry by the time you get there. The other thing that you will also take away is the ability to stand up and be comfortable talking in front of a room of people. Every week we had to present our work, and yes, this may be uncomfortable to start with, but by the time you leave, it's going to feel very natural and it's going to put you in the perfect position for when you start at your new company.